Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. First of all, power off your phone, switch off your phone, and wait for a few seconds. Now you go to press power button and volume up button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of your phone. Just press them together for initiating hard reset. Now reset menu has come. Click on wipe data here. Use volume up or down key to move up or down and use power key to confirm. Keep on wipe all data and press power button. And click confirm. Yes, hard reset is being done. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, data wiped successfully and back to main menu. Press on power button and click on reboot and keep on reboot to system and press power button. Yes, it will take some time. Now you go to set up your phone, choose language, choose your region, connect to network, otherwise skip. Click on terms and condition, accept it, wait for a few seconds. Connection is failed, again go back and surely you need one network. So here I have turned on my Wi-Fi. Yes, click next and click on don't copy. Wait for few seconds. Now you need to draw your pattern that you already set in your phone before you do hard reset. So in case you forget your pattern, you cannot reset. This is for normal reset. Now skip this step and agree. Click OK. Click allow. You can skip this step too. Yes, setup is complete. Now you can enjoy using your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.